This is minced meat. This is carrot. This is green beans. It can be substituted with green peas. This is Irish potatoes. Vegetable oil for frying onions. And then I have here powdered pepper, curry powder, salt, and seasoning cube. And finally, I have the all-purpose flour.
Why is it so hard to choose?
Boiling water, I add in the Irish potatoes.
Circumstances weigh you down.
I'll allow it to cook for about 5 minutes.
Happiness is nowhere.
And then I'll add in the green beans to cook together with it for about another 5 minutes.
If you're breaking, smile, even if it's faking. Oh, just smile, just smile, smile, even if you're sinking. Just smile because you're willing.
Then it's time to fry. I pour in my oil into the pot. Allow it to heat up for a very short time. And I pour in the chopped onions.
Searching for happiness, trying to find your peace of mind.
Then I pour in the minced meat. Take note, the meat is raw minced meat. I'll allow it to fry for a while. I'll begin to add the ingredients. First, I put the salt. After that, I add pepper, powdered pepper, as you can see. Then I add curry powder for flavor and color. That fine greenish color. And then I break in the cube, the seasoning cube, and stir together. I'm pouring in the chopped carrot. I'll also stir together with the meat and the other ingredients.
It's your season to step out.
Now it's time to add the Irish potatoes and the green beans I earlier boiled.
Just smile.
I'll stir them together.
No matter what you're going through,
Stir them continually
you
until
have to
ready.
keep your head held high.